Hello children, good morning. Hope you all are fine and good at your home. In the last class we have started a new lesson creating files and folders. So in that class we have discussed about files. File is a collection of related data. A file can be a text file, picture file, music file or a video file also. And we have seen we have seen what is a folder. So folder is nothing but it is used to organize your files. So a folder may contain files or folders. So files and folders are identified using a picture called icons. And we have seen what is Windows Explorer. Windows Explorer is a window where we can create, view or copy, move, delete, search a file, everything we can do it. And in the address bar we can see the complete path of a file. So we have seen the parts of the Windows Explorer window. Here we have seen navigation pane which is on the left hand side, file list pane which is on the right hand side, address bar which gives the complete path, search box which gives you option to search a file, toolbar it provides many buttons for common tasks, back and forward buttons to move back and forward, view button to view the icons in a small size or large size, extra large size, medium size, etc. So these we have discussed already in the previous class. In this today's class we are going to discuss about creating a new folder, renaming files and folders, copying a file or a folder, and moving a file or a folder. Let us see all these topics one by one. First we will move on to creating a new folder. To create a new folder, we can create a new folder inside another folder or a drive. So I told you already a hard disk is divided into many drives, that is C drive, D drive, E drive. Likewise a hard disk is divided. So we can create a folder under these drives, or we can create a folder inside another folder also. So that type of folders are called subfolders. So let us see an example for this. So in this picture I have shown you the desktop files. So the desktop is seen here. So here I have see many folders. The yellow color are called as folders. Under the folders we can see the files. In this Windows Explorer window, I have to select the new folder option on the top. New folder option on the top. And if I select the new folder, I can see a new folder by asking its name. So here I need to type a name for the folder. I have to type a name for this folder. So in this example I have typed the name called demo. So after typing this name, definitely we need to give the enter key. After pressing the enter key only the name is completed. So after typing the name of the folder, press enter key and the file is created with the name called demo. So I have created a new folder on the desktops. And I can create the folder in another way. That is, I have to right click. We have to right click on the blank space of the file list pane. Nearby the navigation pane I told you the file list pane, isn't it? So here we need to select an empty space. Not necessary to select a file or a folder. It should be on a empty space. In that empty space, right click in the empty space, a pop-up menu appears. So from that you have to select the new option and folder option. New option and the folder option from this shortcut menu. See here, see this picture. So I have right clicked the right click on the file list pane, and this is the file list pane. So I can see new here. So this nearby the new, I have seen a arrow mark. It represents there is some other options under the new. So if I select this new option, I can see many options under that folder, shortcut, Microsoft database, likewise. So I have to select now folder because I need to create a new folder. So I can go by new folder option by clicking on the ribbon, or otherwise I can right click, select new option and then folder option by right clicking the empty space on the file list pane. So second topic we are going to discuss about is renaming files and folders. Renaming means we are going to change the name of an existing file or a folder. Already a name is given to a file or a folder. We are going to change the name. So let us understand this renaming by seeing an example here. So we are going to create we are already created a file called demo, isn't it? To create a new folder, I have created a file folder called demo. So I am going to rename this demo as function. I am going to rename this demo as function. So let us see how to do this. First we need to select that folder. So under the desktop I have selected the demo folder. That is, click on the folder to be renamed. In our example I have selected demo. Now you need to go for organize button on the toolbar, in the toolbar. So after selecting the organize button, okay, a drop down menu appears. This is the drop down menu. From that menu we need to select the rename option. We have many options. Under that we need to select the rename option. So if you select the rename option, we have seen the folder whenever it created, while creating time it is highlighted to change the name, isn't it? The same way again it will be highlighted to give the name. Now I have to type the new name for the folder. In this example I have typed the name as function. So the demo is replaced as function. Now the demo file is not available. Function is the new name of the demo folder. So we can do by right clicking on the folder. So that is, first we need to select the demo and right click on it, and then see here, by selecting the demo, after right clicking I need to select the rename option. Select the rename option. I can see the same type to change the name. So we have two methods to change the name of the existing file. That is by going in by organize button in the toolbar, or we can select the file, right click on it and then select rename option. One more method is there, by selecting the folder and pressing the F2 key on the keyboard. By pressing the F2 key on the keyboard. So to rename a file or a folder we have three options. One is by using organize button on the toolbar. Second one, select the file, right click on it, select rename. And third one, select the file or folder and press F2 key on the keyboard. So the next topic we are moving is copying a file or a folder. So we are going to copy a file or a folder from one place to another place. We are going to copy it again. The copy and paste commands under the organize button is used to copy a file or a folder. So under the organize we have selected rename for renaming a file, isn't it? In the same way we are going to use the organize button for copying a file also. So let us see an example here. So already we have created the function folder, that is demo folder is renamed into function, isn't it? So now I am going to copy this function folder into family. Family is also a folder. I am going to copy. Copy means the original also will be there and the duplicate copy also will be there, isn't it? We have already seen in the last year, isn't it? So copying means we can see in the original place also and in the new place, that is the duplicate copy of the file or folder can be created by copying a file or a folder. So let us see the example now. What are the steps we have to follow? First, we have to click the folder to be copied. I am going to copy the folder called function. So I have clicked that folder. And then again we need to go for the organize button in the toolbar. So when you click organize button in the toolbar, you can see a pop-up menu like this. This is called pop-up menu under organize button. So in that pop-up menu, I need to select the copy option. Copy option. So select the copy option. Now where I need to copy, I need to select the destination place, that is where I need to copy. So here in this example I need to select the family folder. If I click on the family folder, the family folder will be opened. Then you have to click on organize and paste. So first I need to click on function, organize, copy, then again click on family, organize and paste. So the new folder function copied into the family folder. See here, the function is now copied into family folder. See the folder name family. So I have copied the folder called function from the desktop to the folder called family. Now the last topic in today's class is moving a file or a folder. I need to remove from one place and keep it on the other place. That is called moving. So in which command we can do this, ma? Can you remember? Yes, cut and paste. So for copying a file we need to use copy and paste. For moving a file we need to use cut and paste. So the cut and paste commands are used to move a file. To move a file I need to use cut and paste commands. So what are the steps to be followed? Let us see by an example here. First, as usual, I have to select the folder which has to be moved. In this example, I have to select the function from the desktop. So already I have copied the function folder into family folder, isn't it? So now I am going to move this function folder from desktop and I have to place in the another folder. So click the function folder, then again go for organize, again click on the organize button and from the drop down menu select the cut option, and here I have to click the folder in which it should be placed, isn't it? So I have selected the CS demo folder. See here, CS demo folder. So already this function folder is copied into family, isn't it? So now I am going to remove into CS demo. I have to paste into CS demo folder. Now again click on the organize button and click the paste option. Now the folder function is moved from desktop to CS demo folder. So the same procedure of copy and cut is same, but the copy option has two files, that is the function folder will be there in the desktop also and in the family folder also. But here I have moved the folder from desktop to CSDemo folder. So now if I search the desktop means the function folder will not be available. So what are the topics we have discussed today, children? Creating a new folder. That is, I can create a new folder by using new folder option on the ribbon, or I can right click on the empty space of file list pane and select new and folder. Renaming means giving some other names to an already existing file. I can change the name by 3 methods. One is I am going to use the organize button and select rename option. Second option, select the folder or a file, right click on it, then you can select rename option and type the new name. Third option, again select the file or a folder, then press the F2 key on the keyboard. F2 key on the keyboard. This is for renaming, that is changing the name of a file or a folder. Third thing we have discussed is copying a file. We are copying a file or a folder from one place to another. That is, in the original place also it will be available, and in the copied place also it will be available. For copying, we need to use the copy and paste commands in the organize button. Then moving a folder, that is, we are going to change the location of the file or a folder. That is, the function folder is removed from the desktop and it is again pasted in the CSDemo folder. This is called moving, removing from the original place, and we are going to paste it in some other place. And children, we are going to see the shortcut keys for these operations, that is cut, copy, paste. For cut option, we can use the shortcut key Ctrl plus X, control key. By pressing the control key, along with that we need to press the X alphabet. Then for copying, Ctrl plus C. Then for paste means we are going to paste it on some other location, that is Ctrl plus V. So these are the shortcut keys for cut, copy and paste. Cut means Ctrl plus X, copy Ctrl plus C, and paste Ctrl plus V. Children, I hope you have understood this topic. Still we have some more topics in this lesson. Let us discuss in the next class. Thank you, children.